On November 18th of 1776, in order to raise funds for the American Revolution, the 56 congressmen of the Continental Congress met. There, the congressmen voted yes to the decision of having a national lottery. This, of course, was an attempt to help the American economy. This decision, in fact, is significant during the Cohens versus Virginia case, which happened in 1812. On June 1st of 1812, in Virginia, two brothers named Philip and Mendez Cohens approached a man. Their intentions were to sell him a lottery ticket. Soon after, the man responded with, "Isn't that illegal?" Of course, the brothers tried to convince the man to buy the tickets anyways, as it was worth it, but invariably failed. The man now wanted to take the brothers to court. On February the 13th, on 1812, the brothers proceeded to court. There, they tried to defend their actions. The brothers proclaimed that due to Congress' decision on the national lottery, they had a right to sell the tickets and they did not violate any Virginia law. The question of does federal law trump state law became heavily discussed within the court. The ultimate decision came down so that the brothers had to pay a fine of $100 due to the violating the state law of Virginia. Of course, the brothers were not happy to hear that at all. On the 5th of March, the Virginia court thought that the case was finally closed. But they were wrong. On 1812, the Supreme Court heard about the Cohens versus Virginia trial. There, the Supreme Court was conflicted. They did not know if it was their case, nor whether the Supreme Court had the right to check a state case. They looked at the constitutional Chief Justice Marshall wrote that the court was bound to hear all cases that involved constitutional questions due to it being in the Constitution on Article 3, Section 2. Marshall concluded that the Virginia court was correct to fine the Cohen brothers for violating Virginia law. This meant that the federal government had right to hear any state case. As well as this leads to power, especially that the federal government has a power over state.